Hey everyone, my name is Costa and today I'm gonna show you how to create this cool split effect hero section in Framer. So let me explain you first what I already have. I have a hero section, inside I have a container, and then I have content. That is the content right here, and then I have a stack which is a symbolic footer. So first what I'm gonna do, I will create a new frame, press Ctrl X, select a container, paste this frame inside, move it on top, and call it sticky, and then put the width to fill. Inside this frame, I will create another frame, put it inside, and call it clipping mask, and select the sticky now, click on layout, select the clipping mask, click on layout as well, and then change the width to fill. And inside this clipping mask, I will create one more frame, paste it inside, duplicate it, and then select the clipping mask, change the direction to horizontal, and now I will call these frames image 1 and image 2. Select image 1, go to fill, switch from solid to image, click on plugins, Lumi, and now let's select a random image. Do the same with the second image. Alright, select both of them, put the width to fill, and then the height to viewport. Now select the clipping mask and put the height to fit. Then remove the gap, select the sticky and put the height to fit as well. Now make sure your sticky is still selected, go to position and change from relative to sticky. Next, select your container, your hero and your desktop. Go to overflow and make sure it's visible. Then select both of your images, go to effects, click on scroll transform, leave it on scroll, click from, put the opacity to 1 and the scale to 1 as well. Then select the images individually, go back to scroll and click on 2, and then here make sure you put the image outside the canvas. Now let's say for example we wouldn't have this clipping mask, it means that this is gonna be the parent of the images, and when the parent of the images has an overflow visible, you will see the images outside the canvas. So when you click on preview, you will have a horizontal scroll bar, which you don't want actually because it's a bad UX. So that's why we have this clipping mask stack, which actually has the overflow on hidden, as you can see. So next, let's select the second image, click on scroll again, click 2 and put this one outside the canvas as well. And now when I preview this happens. It is because I think we have some we have some fill. Let's remove the fill of the clipping mask and also the fill of the sticky. I think the container doesn't have any fill. Yeah. So now when we preview it, we will see this. So that's how you create this split effect in Framer, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.